Hello everyone, welcome to Bright Kid Fun. Today we're making some handmade gifts on Father's Day. Instead of buying something from the store, you can make your own Father's Day gifts right at home. And Dad will absolutely going to love receiving them. So I'm going to share a few ideas to make special gifts on Father's Day. I'm going to make a quick and easy craft, which is a best dad award ribbon. So let's start. So I'm using this craft paper, fold it in half and cut it into pieces. We got 2 pieces, so let's fold it. I folded it, now let's fold it in half. So you need to cut out a circle and glue it to the ribbon. So I cut these out, now I have to make the shape. Super easy craft. You can reward your dad with these ribbons. And your dad is going to love it. Here I'm going to show you how to make a Father's Day card. It's a very cute card. Let's begin. So first you have to fold a paper in half. Now fold your color. I'm gonna make a pocket. Here I'm making the cool looking glasses for my cool dad. For this I'm using this foam paper where I wrote DAD in big letters. I will cut it out with a knife. We will also need 2 side parts of the glasses. So we cut the pieces out. Now we have to take them out. So we got letter D out. Now we got letter A out. So we got all the pieces, now we have to connect them. So our DAD glasses are ready. Doesn't it look good? This Father's Day, I'm planning to give my dad a gift filled with lots of love, hugs, and kisses. So I'm making this cute jar. For this, we will need one mason jar, Hershy kisses, hot glue, and green tissue paper. That's all. And these kind of labels to put on the jar. I'm going to stick this label in one side of the jar where I can write a message for my dad. I'm going to tear some small pieces of green tissue paper and stick this Hershey kiss on the green tissue paper. We have made enough. Now I'll glue these candies into the jar. I think this is the last one. How do you like it? So I'm going to stick this on the top of the jar. So our love, hugs, and kisses jar is ready. If you want, you can put something inside it. And I think it's enough for my dad. This is one of my favorite gift ideas. It looks sweet and it is sweet. Another cool idea is a DAD tic-tac-toe game, a very fun variation for Father's Day. We're going to make tic-tac-toe with the letters D and A. For this, you'll need a square of cardboard. For this, I covered it with blue craft paper. You will also need letter D and letter A. So I got this from Hobby Lobby. You can get it from any other craft store. Or if you want, you can use one thing you cut out a D and an A. You will need 5 each of the letters, duct tape, and scissors. It is the quickest Father's Day gift idea, so I already marked it like a tic-tac-toe, so I'm going to now put tape over it. Instead of using X and O, we're using letters D and A. How do you like this idea? You can play this DAD tic-tac-toe on Father's Day with your dad. Hope you like our special Father's Day video. Please like and subscribe.